Once you have installed the TPT app onto your device and have your demo song packages in place, it is time to open the app for the first time. Upon opening the app, you will immediately be viewing the TPT console. This is where all of your live control features are accessed for both performance as well as rehearsal. Let's go over the key features of the console. First, let's look at the Setlist tab. By clicking this tab, you have access to every setlist you have created. Next, let's look at the Now Playing window. This window displays the song that you are currently performing. Directly across from the Now Playing window is the Next Song window, which displays the remaining songs in your current set list. You can easily rearrange your set list from this window by scrolling to the next song you would like to perform. Now, let's look at the feature that seems to be so obvious to the console, what we like to call the big blue play button. Obviously, by clicking this button, you begin play of your current song. But we have added a few new twists to this button as well. During playback, you will notice a new set of symbols showing on the button itself. The first symbol is our Play Through option. This allows you to continuously play through every song in your set without having to push play again. The second symbol is our Play Stop option. This allows you to place a stop command at the end of your current song, should you need to take a break for an announcement or any other event that may arise unexpectedly. Next, let's look at the Loop button. This button allows you to loop any section at any time during performance. What is unique about our looping function is that unlike other programs that are out there currently, with ours, you do not need to count off or count into any measure in order to ensure the looping function operates exactly when you want it to. Simply press the loop button at any time during your current section, and it will perform flawlessly. Just below the Now Playing window, you will see the Rehearse Perform button. This button toggles between the two modes available on our app. In Perform mode, once you push play, you will not have an option of pausing during a song. This is to ensure that no one can accidentally pause a song during its performance, causing that awkward gap of silence we all despise. In Rehearse mode, you have several flexible options available to you for rehearsal purposes. 1. You can pause your song at any point during playback. 2. You can go back to the top of your song set. 3. You can start again at the beginning of your current song. 4. You can go to the next song in your song set. 5. You can scroll to any section of your current song and rehearse just that section. Now, let's talk about the flexibility we have with our song sections, or segments as we like to call them. We have broken down each song in our library to song segments, allowing you more flexibility in how you rebuild each song to your exact specifications. Let's look first at our Master Playlist area. This playlist displays your current song segments in the actual order they have been recorded. From this list, you can drag a segment down into any position you wish in the current playlist. Or you can double tap a segment to insert it directly behind the segment currently being played. Next, let's look at the current playlist area. This is the area where all of the Flex magic happens. Here, you can insert segments from your master playlist. You can double tap to delete any segment of your current song at any time. Or you can simply drag any segment to a new position in the current playlist to totally rearrange your song on the fly.